KULR, holy cow, 61.11%. Everybody, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I wanted to start today's video off with a couple of stats about my channel. So far, most of my views come from searches, 82.5% to be exact. The next closest views come from the browse feature at 6.3%, and there is a 100% chance that you are a male between the ages of 35 and 44, according to YouTube, and there is a 67% chance you are on your mobile phone right now, and if you are, you can pinch to zoom to see my charts, and you can also click that like button that is in the shadow screen. I would appreciate that. First one I want to take a look at is something new that is on the radar, popped up today. It's one of my other watch lists, and that stock is MDAI, and if you are familiar with the Thai language, Madai or Maidai is I can't. Fucking indicators. Thousands of dollars. But today, MDAI could, and it did in a big way, coming up 31.5% on a short day. Absolutely amazing pop to the upside. We ended on a green candle. The RSI is slightly diverged, but running parallel. We'll have to watch out for that one. MACD is on a full burn, and it does look like we got some decent volume above. We had a whale get out over here, but I don't think that made a huge difference. Looked like we popped right back from that. Puts MDAI on your radar as well as mine. Hopefully we'll see larger jumps from them in the coming weeks. Next one up today, KULR. Holy cow, 61.11%. It was crazy to watch this thing rip up all morning long. Just amazing. Had me on the edge of my seat. Then after the regular market closed, the post market absolutely skyrocketed. We got up to about $1.40 per share on KULR. As of right now, it looks like all of that is backpedaled and we're down at the $1.15, $1.16 range. We can see that RSI is definitely touching at this point. The MACD is oscillated higher, but that is because we had a 61% increase today, so that is to be expected. Naturally, we're in uncharted territories as far as the volume is concerned, but judging by the amount of excitement and volume that was in the market today, KULR is going to do good on Monday. PLBY, this is another one I've been kind of harping on and bringing it back on the show and letting you know. From the last time I mentioned it, we are up another 10 cents, 6.98% on the day. We're at the top of the trend cloud. Our RSI is still a bit diverged in the correct position, but that purple line, as you can see, is heading right for the yellow one. We ended on a green candle, but we're weakening on the MACD. At this $1.38 level, there isn't much volume overhead over here on the right hand side. However, as I said before, historically PLBY has done great in the Christmas season, last year being our guide, and I think we're going to see $2.30, maybe $2.40 or so out of that one. I want to talk crypto. Crypto is hot right now. It's going crazy, especially today. We had a bit of a pullback from our highs recently, but I kind of expected that leading into the Thanksgiving holiday, and I did expect that Black Friday would be a good pump once everybody got their fill of turkey. We're looking at market cap of Link right now, not necessarily price, but the two charts are going to be the same in terms of indicators. We're not really too concerned with price, but just for reference, we're at around $18 per share right now for Link, and we'll check it before I exit this segment. So as of right now, we're on a red candle. We're above the 9. It looks like our VWAP is underneath that red candle, offering some additional support. Zooming in, the RSI is getting awfully close, but again, this is 24-hour trading, so anything can happen. This could go parabolic right now. There was a bit of news released about XRP. I won't go into that because I don't do news. I strictly do charts, but I think some of that news that was released earlier today could be why we're seeing an increase all across the board in cryptocurrency. Right now, it's obvious we're in a bit of a sidestep, which is definitely okay. Let's back up a little bit farther on Link and see what we can get the computer to load here. So March 2024, let me see if I can switch this up. Let's go to, what do you got? Coinbase? We'll take Coinbase. All right, so here we are. We can see our price levels now. So at that $18.51, it looks like we had a peak back here in May 2024. So I would suspect that that would be definitely another level for us. We got some whales coming on over here, one right up here. I gotta stop double clicking on this thing. We're well above the 200, we're well above the 180, and we are above the 50-day. Absolutely cranking on ChainLink. Now ChainLink is a coin that has an actual use case. You can do that research, that homework yourself, but it does relate to shipping, and ChainLink is something that is actually being used right now in real world scenarios. This is why I'm 100% confident to say this is a coin that you could put some money into and not be afraid that it just fizzles out into absolutely nothing. The price is naturally a little higher right now, however. So let's take a look at XRP on this Coinbase here, and I don't know why that pasted on that chart. XRP just absolutely took off between last night and today. So we're going from that 44 level to the 82s right now, 22% in one day. And as we all know, that can go so much higher, so much faster. Just in the past hour and a half since I talked to my friend, we were at 77 and now we're at 82 and we're holding strong. No sign of any whales getting out right now, but the 7 count did come on. However, with the crypto, I'm not sure how accurate the 7, 8, 9 count is. Last whale getting out was way back over here on November 23rd, and then another one got out on November 17th. So it looks like our whales have kind of exited, but you never know, another one could pop up. Judging by this RSI, we've got plenty of room for movement on XRP. XRP. Our MACD is just going crazy right now, saying we're all overbought, but I don't think anyone cares. They want more of it. Little key facts. XRP is nearing resistance at $1.60, up 6% in 24 hours and 207% in November 2023. 207% this month. With a market cap close to $100 billion, a breakout above $1.60 may push prices higher, fueled by XRP EFT speculation. So if you haven't heard as well, they're planning on making an EFT for XRP, just like there's one for Bitcoin. So you'll be able to trade XRP on the regular NASDAQ or whatnot, regular stocks. So that's our wrap up for today. Thanks so much for joining me and looking at these stocks and these cryptocurrencies. What an exciting time to be in the market and involved in it. With all this volatility every day, it just keeps things really, really exciting. Thanks a lot for your likes, your subscriptions, and your comments. A stock that you would like to see on this channel or laid out on my charts, or you have a question about one of my indicators, go ahead and leave a comment and I will be happy to reply. But you know, I was going to do this anyway, but I'd much rather be doing it with you. I'll see you tomorrow.